Hello guys, this is Adam Carlton for Project 2, Week 2 in SDI Term 1305. This is probably one of the hardest codes I've ever had to write. The thing that got me was the story. I had to change my story from last week to kind of make this work. And I'm not a good storyteller by any means, but I got my code wrong at the very end. I wound up having to submit it with, I got one word wrong. I had playtime, and then when I went down here to enter it again, I had just time instead of playtime, and I was erroring out every time, and I couldn't figure it out. Luckily, I was able to send the code to one of the classmates, and it took him a little bit, but he found it, and well, I've got it changed now. I guess it kind of goes back to, your 2 eyes or 4 eyes is better than 1, I guess. But I started off doing my variables, and kind of went from there. And I just kind of went through it. Every time I got a block done, got my variables done, then I would go and I would check it. I would refresh it, and as long as I didn't get any errors, I went on to the next set of code. But I thought it was kind of neat. This one I had more fun with than last week's. Because you could change, kind of had a little bit more control of what you could do. And let's see here. One thing I did have trouble with, other than the typos that I've been having, you'd be surprised. You'll find out real quick that your error is, a lot of times it's just one letter. You're off, and the variable's not able to, or it's not able to point back to the variable to output your console log. But I thought I did pretty decent. And like right here where it said, what was it? Getting my numbers right to output, like I wanted them. I had to play around with those. And then the names I had here, they were kind of long, but I wanted to kind of be a little bit descriptive. And basically it. I'm looking forward to next week. There's looks like a lot of methods, I think it is. I hadn't really dived into that yet, so I don't know what those are. But I'm anxious to see it, and hopefully next week will be better than this week. I kind of crammed everything in at the last minute because of my work schedule. But that's it. Thanks, guys.